To link CapCut to TikTok, start by opening the CapCut app on your device. If you don't have CapCut installed, download it from the App Store and create an account if you haven't already. Once you have opened CapCut, tap on the profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page where you can access various settings and options. From the profile page, tap on the settings icon, which is usually represented by 3 dots or a gear icon. This will open up a new page with various settings and options. Scroll down to the Account section and tap on Linked Accounts. This will take you to a page where you can link your CapCut account to other social media platforms, including TikTok. Tap on TikTok and you will be redirected to the TikTok login page. Enter your TikTok username and password to authenticate your account. Once you have authenticated your TikTok account, you will be asked to authorize CapCut to access your TikTok account. Tap on Authorize to grant CapCut permission to access your TikTok account. After authorizing CapCut, you will be redirected back to the CapCut app. Your TikTok account is now linked to CapCut and you can start sharing your CapCut videos directly to TikTok. To share a video to TikTok, open the CapCut app and select the video you want to share. Tap on the share icon and select TikTok from the list of available options. You can then add captions, hashtags, and other effects to your video before sharing it to TikTok. By linking CapCut to TikTok, you can easily share your edited videos to TikTok without having to save and upload them manually. This saves time and makes it easier to manage your content across multiple social media platforms. Remember to always review the terms and conditions of both CapCut and TikTok before linking your accounts to ensure you understand the privacy and security implications.